Okay, before we get started, I want you to pull out a notebook, your article from Scholastic News, and the worksheet that I gave you today at school. We're going to start by doing a picture walk. We're going to look at the front page of the Scholastic News article, and we're going to look at the different text features. Each text feature has something to say about the article. It can give you clues. It can just give you good information. So we're going to look at each one, and as we go through, I want you to jot down things that are interesting to you. Here's the front cover. You can see the title of the article, First on the Moon, and then there's a couple of different text features, like I said, on the front cover. We're going to go through each and every one of them. Remember to write down anything that stands out or anything you think is important. The first text feature is the moon at the top right-hand corner. Let's read it together. The moon is about 24,000 miles from the Earth. Getting there took 3 days. So what does that say to you? Is there any important information from this text feature that maybe you can jot down so we can talk about tomorrow? The next one is a TV, and you'll notice it looks like a pretty old TV because this was a long time ago. Let's read it. More than 500 million people watched the moon's landing on television. So it was a big event, and it was shown on national TV. Everyone watched. The next one is the astronaut. It's actually pointing at the astronaut's suit. It says, the suit weighs 180 pounds on Earth, but only 30 pounds on the moon because of lower gravity. If you have any questions on any of these text features, write them down and we'll talk about it tomorrow. The next one talks about what? Let's read it. Astronauts made the first footprints on the moon 50 years ago. They're still there. So those are the different text features that you can find on an article like this one, on books, on magazines, everywhere. And they all have meaningful information. So don't just look at a picture and not read the writing around it because you might miss good information. Let's go to the next section. The last text feature on the first page is, what do you think that looks like? Let's read it. A vehicle called the Eagle took the crew from the spacecraft to the moon's surface. That's pretty interesting. Maybe we'll read more about this in the article. So we're still not going to read the article. We're going to continue to do some of these text features, but a different way. Let's continue. As I said before, these different text features say something. Maybe they have information about the article, or maybe it has extra information that is not covered in the article. So let's look at the next page. The top photo on the second page, when you open up your Scholastic News, what do you think this photo shows. And I want you to write a sentence. Write it on that worksheet. The photo shows, and then you write in what you think the photo shows. And we'll talk about it some more tomorrow in class. We'll all get to share what you've all written on these different photos. This is a photo of the 3 astronauts. In your worksheet, on number 2, write in a sentence that follows, I noticed that, and put in what you notice of this picture. Next are these subheadings. Notice that these subheadings are part of the article, but they're bolded, which means it's important. Based on the subheadings, I think the article will write in what you think goes next. At the bottom, there's a sidebar. It has different pictures on it, and they all say something different. So fill in the rest of the sentence. The sidebar tells me now that we've done the picture walk and that you've looked at all of the text features and written a little sentence about what you think all of that means, now I want you to read the article. Now, don't answer the second part of that worksheet because we will do that in class tomorrow after we do a discussion about what we did tonight. So read the article by yourself, with your family, and then jot down in the notebook a couple of interesting things that you can think of or something that you want to share to the class tomorrow about what you read, and be ready to share your answers.